Eyeliner. 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 In Australia, we generally say eyeliner. But if you're going to use standard English, you want to say eyeliner, because Australians like to change the ER ending into an A, and that's just the way Australian English is. But if you're going to actually pronounce this so someone else can actually understand it a lot better, you say eyeliner. And this is generally what you put on your eyebrows or eyes, stuff like that. And it's just a colouring that females use. Anyway, I hope you learned something new. This is about makeup. Nothing wrong with makeup. And don't forget to put on your eyeliner. Thank you, and hear it, learn it. Don't forget it.